The first step is to open the link provided to you by your team leader. In this example, what is your favorite dessert? And click Add Idea. Type your idea, i.e. your strategy recommendation. Click and add your name. Click Add Description. Type a description of your idea, i.e. strategy. This may include references or a supporting explanation of how your strategy may be used or why it is a good suggestion. Click Add Image, optional. This is helpful to include if you have one in mind, as it may be usable in the Canva infographic. Click Upload the image if there is one. If not, click Save. Click Add Argument, to add a pro or con to an idea. Type your comments in the box to add a pro or con about the idea. Click and enter your name. Click Save. Click for contra or against, or click plus for pro or in support of. Click Save. Click Add Argument and add additional comments as warranted. Finally, when all ideas have been posted and pros and cons made, to vote for your top 5 strategies, click on Vote, enter your name, and click Save. That's it. You're done.